In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Avatan sunblinds filter on Instagram. So the first step is open Instagram. I already opened it and I'm on the discovery page right now. Then you want to go to the search bar and you want to search for Ilhama Mad P. The first one over here, Ilhama Mad P. So click on the account. And you don't have to follow this account, it's not necessary. The only thing you have to do is you have to swipe to the left, just like I did. Then scroll down a bit, and here you can see the golden hour filter. So this is the Avatan sunblinds filter on Instagram. To use it, click on it. And if you want to save it, hit the save button down here. Let me mute it. Next to the send to button, as you can see, I just saved it to my camera. And to try it, hit try it. So now I'm trying the Avatan sunblinds filter. I'm using it right now. This is how it looks. It's actually a very cool filter. So this is how you have to get this filter on Instagram, and I hope I helped you. Please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.